Well, moving on, well, to look at COVID-19 updates, and let's see what we can do to ensure that we're safe, our family members are also safe.
COVID-19 Diaries.
COVID-19 Diaries.
COVID-19 Diary.
Well, the current global figure is 120,865,091. That's the number of people globally who have contracted the COVID-19 vaccine. Now, we have a 97,486,777 people globally who have recovered from the virus. Unfortunately, the world has lost 2,674,363. Condolences going out to everybody for losing a loved one, a friend, a family member to the COVID-19. Let's do all to observe all the safety protocols. And if you're going to stay in an environment and you feel you would not wear your nose mask, ensure everybody else has their nose mask on so you're protected. Now, zoning it down, let's look at the figures for Africa.
COVID-19 Africa.
COVID-19 Africa.
Daily updates.
Well, the total figure in Africa is 4,076,204. And we have 3,647,319 people who have globally, in Africa, recovered from the COVID-19 virus. Unfortunately, Africa has lost 108,305 lives to the COVID-19. Now, the country in Africa with the most recorded fatalities is South Africa, and they currently have 51,421 cases. That's the number of lives they've lost due to the COVID-19. Our condolences going to the country of South Africa. And the country in Africa with the most recorded cases is still South Africa. They currently have 1,530,033 cases of the COVID-19. Once again, our condolences going to them, and we hope they're doing everything they can. We see the innovations, we read the new reports, new things, new ways coming up to prevent and curb the spread of the COVID-19 and, prevent the physical connection or people being in contact. They're trying to move everything online, and it's something they've been doing very well. But we're with you, South Africa. We're with you. And the country in Africa that has been doing well for some time at maintaining a number they've had for months is Western Sahara. They have recorded 10 cases of the COVID-19, and they've been holding that for a very, very long time. So kudos to you guys. Whatever it is you're doing, keep doing it. And we hope that, at the end of this, all will be able to learn much better and more from each other. Now, looking at a COVID-19 related story, we'll be going to Cameroon, where we'll be reading from the Cameroon Infonet newspaper, and very, very interesting stories coming from this. So the headline says, Fight Against COVID-19, the Prime Minister reactivates barrier measures, and the Health Minister announces the arrival of the COVID-19 vaccine in 2 weeks. Now that is good news. Well, faced with a new explosion in the cases of COVID-19, the government of Cameroon has called for the responsible behavior of the population and strict adherence to the protective gestures against the spread of the pandemic. In 1 week, Cameroon recorded more than 3,000 new cases of people testing positive for the coronavirus. 37 of those infected died. The figures actually were revealed by the Prime Minister and the head of government in a special statement that was related to the resurgence of the pandemic in Cameroon. The health minister has also announced that in 2 weeks they're expecting the vaccine, and then from there they will begin the vaccination process. That will be the first doses that will arrive in the country. So they're making efforts. The first dose of the British AstraZeneca vaccine, and this is part of the COVAX facility. So priority is going to be given to healthcare workers, and it's all going to be in accordance with the opinion of the Scientific Council and NITAG. Now, the priority targets for vaccination against COVID are health workers, people over 50 with comorbidities, vulnerable people, teachers, special groups, and the masses. This was explained further by the minister, Mana Moda Malachi, and he said that The vaccine will be free and not compulsory in Cameroon. So if you don't want to take it, you're not comfortable with taking it, nobody's going to force you. But that means you're going to have to abide by all the COVID-19 protocols. So I think it's good news for him to tell them the vaccine is coming. Well, that's all we have for you for COVID-19 updates.